Welcome to the channel, people. In this video, as you can tell by the title, I'm going to break down the GBP US dollar trade that I had this week. As you can see here, this is my group. I sent it in here that I'm taking at. That was on the 23rd. And then as you can see, we hit our TP on the 24th. In order to do that, as you can see here, nice 2-hour trade. I'm going to have to go back. So let's take you back to my reasoning and just break down this whole trade. From the messages I've been getting, I know a lot of viewers are still struggling with their trading. If you want to talk to me about trading, become a profitable trader, learn how to pass funded challenges and get payouts, click the link in the bio to join the Discord community. Make sure to use the code billionaire for 50% off your first 2 months. So if you're familiar with how I trade, as you should be if you've watched my channel, I simply trade break and retests of clear trends. So as you can see, price has been in an uptrend on GBP US dollar. We've been making higher highs, higher lows. So you can see higher low, higher low. Made yet again another higher high. So what I was waiting for is that higher low to be made so I can capitalize on this uptrend. So I simply waited for the retest. As you can see, we've already broken up, made a high. So waiting for that pullback to this next level of support. Rejection on the 1 hour, which is the time frame I enter. And then I'm aiming for that higher high. Simple as that. Clearly define the trend and identify the trend. Now we look for our next level of support. This is the key level of support we was focusing on. We had that marked, had our line drawn on, and then what do we wait for? The retest. So this was Wednesday now. Once this happened, I thought, oh, okay, I'm gonna have to wait now for an entry on Thursday, because we had a deep pullback and I just wanted to see how price played out. You're always waiting for the chart to do something and then you want to react to that. When you're entering trades, you're waiting for price to do a set of rules. So once this happened, I was waiting for price to show me an entry for a long. So break and retests. Sometimes price is going to break a level. I put in quotation marks break because this level is still being tested. It hasn't broken it and completely changed the trend. So now we've broken a bit below it on the break retest. You want to see a break back above or a retest for the trend to continue. And that's what I wait for on Thursday. As you can see, we broke back up. So when I analyzed the market, when I woke up about 7:30 or whatever, I got on the 4 hour, I saw price had been rejecting this level and broken back above this level. So I simply, what I was waiting for, like I stated, was waiting for that retest of the level and then waiting to get in for the continuation up. So what I'd seen, as I made a video today for my students, what I looked at, I saw this little 1 hour break and retest. So as you can see, we've had a break of this minor level, retest, and a nice bullish hammer there. So that triggered me to enter, and that's why I entered how I did, because this told me that price is not going to pull back to this level of support. That's what I was thinking. Price won't pull back to this level of support because we've had this little retest here. And obviously the bigger move, which is the break retest of the 4 hour level, we've already had that, and then we push it up now. So with this break retest here, I said to myself, all right, I don't think price will pull back to this level of support now. So I'm going to enter after this candle. But just in case it does, even though I didn't think it would happen, I put my stop below here, this low, which I would have put it before below anyway. So entered there, put my stop below, gave me a nice 2R. Look on the 4 hour now. As you can see, we pushed up into that first level of resistance. So on a break and retest, this is what you want to find. You're getting in break and retest. You obviously got that level of resistance here before we made the higher high. So that was that first level of resistance there where I took partials, and then we obviously eventually met our higher high target, which if we look to our left and scroll out a bit, we've got a level of resistance just here. So that's what I was aiming for. So first target was hit. I told the group, took a bit of partials, and then our next level where we was anticipating the trade to hit was hit. I didn't actually exit this at this stage, the rest of my portion of my trade, because I thought price would push higher, which it did. And then I ended up exiting somewhere up in there. So it was a bit more of a 2-hour trade. but I exited and it was a great trade. And now next week, I'm looking to, what do you think? The trend is your friend. Still making higher highs, higher lows. So I'm looking to get in long for next week. But that was it. Quick breakdown of GBP USD and how we got in. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, subscribe if you liked. But yeah, that's it. I'm out.
My parents sweet, we couldn't go to Mikasa. Left the postseason, we had the lows, wristed like Chris.